Hey guys, and welcome to another episode of Down South Off-Road and Outdoor. What are we doing today, babe?
Today, we are at my dad's house. A couple of months ago, we put on some Smittybilt Apollo Rock Sliders on Bella. And we love them, and apparently my dad loved them so much that he has decided to put him on his Jeep Eugene. So, let's check out what they look like on his.
All right, stay tuned.
Hey guys, so here we are taking a look at the Smittybilt Apollo Rock Sliders that I have on Bella. Now the reason that I went with these particular steps, so many of you guys have heard me talk about being a shorty. I have actually fallen out of the Jeep 3 times and busted up my ankles twice. And so when I was choosing a rock slider, I needed to have something with some form of a step. I climb on top of Bella often to get up to that rack and to do all the things that we want to do. So I had to have a step wide enough to accommodate that. So now that you see what we have on Bella, a little bit of a closer look, let's go take a look and see the Smittybilt Apollo Rock Sliders go on Dad's Jeep, Eugene. So here is Eugene, and he has stock steps on his Jeep right now. So this is what we're gonna take off and replace them with the Smittybilt Apollo. Here we are, all boxed up.
Does come in nice packaging, like protected.
Protected.
So they do.
That's important.
Well. It is important, guys.
Protection.
Always have protection.
All right,
For your items.
let's get it going. So did you watch the Kentucky? Did you watch the Kentucky videos where we almost flipped the Jeep?
Yeah.
Did the first one scare you? Did
Well,
make your heart race? I mean, even though you already knew what happened. Get on in there. All right, so to mount these, you have these 2 body mounts that have to be, or these 2 bolts, or these nuts, thank you. These 2 nuts that have to come out completely. And then you have this body mount that just has to be loosened. So when he has to pull this off completely, loosen this up, and then they'll just slide right in.
So you can see already how much sturdier these connect to the body versus those factory. I would feel much better about putting weight on these than I would those.
Now you don't need to take them all the way out, you just need to pull them down an inch or so that you can slide the steps right up on there.
Hi guys, this is my father-in-law. This is not awkward at all.
I feel like that's the only one that he...
Because it's not doing anything good with it. Alright, can you hold it right there?
Yep.
Alright, there you go.
You sure?
Oh yeah, baby, get them squats on.
What'd you say?
Nothing.
Yeah.
Is that good?
Need to revise the installation instructions.
Did you read the installation instructions?
Yeah. Need to revise Kim's installation instructions.
Oh, gotcha. So you don't need to undo that big bolt?
That big nut, the big bolt that was hard to get out,
Yeah,
we don't need to remove that.
gotcha. Well, I swear Michael did remove that one too. Because I remember him talking about trying to unscrew that.
I didn't loosen these up.
Gotcha.
All right, you can go.
Sure.
All right, guys. So those Smittybilt Apollo Rock Sliders have been installed on Eugene, and they match up beautifully. Thanks for checking us out. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the little bell. Peace out, guys.